Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I'm here with a new video tutorial. So let's start. Today's project is an elegant earring of copper color crystal beads 4 mm. So we have picked, in the beginning we have picked 6 copper color 4 mm beads and 6 it.U's silver 6 it.U's golden seed beads we have picked. Now we are making knots to make it secure, and after making knots we pulled thread, secure it, and now we will start our beading. Here we have picked 2 seed beads and 1 white bead 8 and 2 seed beads 11 golden. We pass through copper color crystal bead 4 mm. We added these beads. Now we pass through next copper color bead crystal bead 4 mm. We are adding again 2 seed beads golden 11 plus 1 white pearl little pearl seed bead, white seed bead 8 with 2 more golden seed beads 11. We are passing through the hole of copper color crystal bead 4 mm, and in this way we have beaded 6 times. We have added these beads 6 times around all copper golden 4 mm beads. Now we have 6 loops of beads, 6 loops. We have to turn 3 of them to the back side and 3 will be remain in front. This is very interesting step. 6 loops we have beaded, we have made. 3 will be remain in front and 3 will be on back. In this way, a new pattern when you will work, you will make for yourself. It's very interesting. Now we have to join 3 beads here, white 11 white beads which are in the center of golden beads. 3 white 8-O's.
3 white 8-O's will be added here.
Will be joined here. We will skip 1 loop and bend into back, and we pick 1 loop in front. Then we will set 1 loop in front and we will skipping 1 for the back. And in this way we have joined 3 on front, and in these loops you can see we have white 8-O's, white beads 8-O's. We have to join these white 8-O's together. We are passing thread through these 3 beads, white seed beads 8-O's. We have to join here in front. When we have done it, then we will join 3 in the same way on back side. The other 3 seed beads, it.U's, white color. We have to join them on the other side. On the other side we are joining now 3 white beads here. These beads will be joined here, so it's very interesting pattern. We are joining it. Now you can see in this video we are joining, we are passing our thread from 3 white it.U's. We are passing thread. We are joining 8 seed bead with 3 seed beads it.U's. Now this is complete from both sides. These are joined from both sides. Very lovely project, very lovely pattern. Now we will pull the thread tightly. We have to secure it. Now next step has started. We have picked one 4 mm pearl, white pearl with 3 seed beads 11/0 golden. 3 golden seed beads 11/0 and 1 pearl 4 mm will be added here, passing through golden seed bead it.U's, which we have beaded with the 4 mm crystal beads in the beginning. So we have to add here 6 times. We have to add 6 pearls 4 mm with 3 seed beads 11/0 golden seed beads. We have to pass through golden seed bead it.U's. We will add here 6 times. Again 1 pearl with 3 seed beads golden seed beads 11/0. We have to skip these beads. We will pass through pearl, white pearl, and now we will pass through golden seed bead it.U. In this way we will add 6 times to complete this round. These earrings we are making with copper color, with pearls, a unique combination. I hope you guys like it. Now it's time to add earring wire, golden earring wire we are using in this project. Color combinations are matching to golden, so we are adding golden earring wire with total 6 seed beads, golden seed beads it.U's we are using to attach earring wire. Total 6 seed bead it.U's are beaded or added in this step. We have added 6 it.U's, seed bead it.U's to attach here our earring wire. Now we are making finishing knots. After making knots, we will trim the thread. Very easy project as usual. I have brought a unique pattern but easy and quick to make. We have trimmed the extra thread. Now it's ready. Very simple, very cute, very elegant, golden, shining golden copper color crystal beads with golden seed beads, golden earring wires and pearls, white pearls. A good combination of colors and beads. You would like it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, watch, share my channel Easy's Main Jewelry, and don't forget to subscribe my other channel Sumi Crafty. I will say bye now. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.